Hi, grade 3. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learn Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will make a quick revise on Unit 7 in your Connect Plus. But before I will go to do so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our unit today. Today we are going to make a revise in Unit 7. Let's go to continue the to revise the Unit 7 together. Here we talk about family. Where are the family? This is the topic of this unit. Let's revise this unit together. We have here adult, elderly, person, teenager, toddler, sleeping, identical, here is identical, similar, twin, triplets, quadruplets, adapt, traits, inherited. I think we took inherited traits and traits in Discover. If you revise the video of Discover, you can watch what we told in this video. Have here letter, newborn, offspring, organism, species, survival, characteristics, reproduce, pollen grains, seeds, bulbs, cell, and so on. Here we have a grammar. In this part, we talk about the present simple tense, and we know the present simple tense is describing what, as we took during the lesson. We know that the present simple tense used to describe effects and habits, and we know that the present simple tense know it by what? By adding s to the verb. Let's go to another one here. Here when we say when you say he, she, it takes s, they don't take s. Okay. Here we have does. We have here does. Does she like chocolate, or do they like chocolate? The keywords of this tense, it will be every, it will be always, usually, often, sometimes, never. We have another tense here, which is past simple tense. This simple tense talk about what? About action happened and ended in the past. And what I can know it by adding ed to the verb, like I played. When we put did, I put did, and I omit ed, so I return the verb to the infinitive form. Okay. Here we use verb to be, was, were in the past form, yesterday, ago, last in the past. Here we have a present perfect tense, which is have plus verb plus past participle of the verb. The keywords of this, I would like to say the keywords of the past simple tense to be yesterday, ago, last, any real in the past or in the past. This is the keywords of the past simple tense. When we talk about present perfect tense, we have has and the have and the past participle of the verb. Okay. Past participle of the verb. In this tense, we have ever, never, just, since, and so on. All these the keywords of what? Of the present perfect tense. Let's go to another tense here in this unit, which is present continuous tense. I think I make a video about present continuous tense, and we talk that the present continuous tense talk about what? About the action happened at the time of the speaking, and the formula of this tense, it will be am is are plus verb plus ing. The keywords of this tense, it will be now, look, listen, at the moment, today. Here we have used to. When we use used to about actions in the past, don't happen in the present. We talk used to ask about action, to expressing action happening in the past. Like what? I used to take a train. Didn't used to. Let's go to another one here. Here is some phonics here. Let's learn it together, which is you, like new and blue. Okay. We have here new, blue, used, glue, true, and flew. Here we have some tips. This is called the punctuation, like full stop, exclamation mark, question mark, and comma. Let's answer this question. Let's answer the question depend on this unit together. Goes to school and plays with the friends. Which one? To be child or clever pupils. Space is aged between 13 and 19 without thinking. Teenager, you are clever pupils. Similar means the same in all way, in all same in similar means the same in all ways. Okay. Here we have a group of animals or plants are similar and share same characteristics. Is what is organism not survive wrong to be species here. Species. Space to get characteristics from your parent, it will be trade. It will be trade. Characteristics get from parent, trade. A space is the smallest part of the living organism. The smallest part, it will be cell. Cell here. Let's go to another one. Let's go to another one. Here we have space do math when I was little. So what can I select here? It will be I can't or I couldn't, I wasn't do mathematics when I was at toddler. It will be I couldn't, not can. Why couldn't? Because here we have was, and when we have was, so the first part must be in the past. Where always the space in bed in the morning. Always what? Always makes. Why? Because here we have always, and always is a key word of the present simple tense. So the present simple tense, as we know here. He is going to space bands to protect knees. To where you are clever pupils. Here we have to, and here we have infinitive form. She doesn't. So as we told you, when we have doesn't and no and didn't, so the verb must be returned to the infinitive form. It will be watch. He ever climbed the mountain. So has, so as we told you, has plus the past participle of the verb, it will be climbed the mountain. We studied English yesterday. Here we have yesterday. Yesterday expressing what here? Expressing past. Expressing past. So I select which one was correct. Studied. Space, but now I can. So it I didn't use to be able. Here I to must be followed by the infinitive form. Dina used to space short hair, but now it's wrong. To used to have short hair, so it will be the verb. It will be in the infinitive form. Let's go to another one here. Let's go to another one here. Here we have I have space my homework. It will be I have finished my homework here. So here is space. Here we have the subject plus verb plus object. Okay, this is the rule of the sentence. Statement form. When we do a question form, what can I do? I replace the verb instead of subject. Let's do this sentence. Let's practice. Let's apply this rule on these sentences. Here we have identical, as we told you before, grade 3. We must know the rule to apply it in the sentence, because sometimes can't put the can underline the subject. Okay, so we must know when the subject that we start the sentence with it. Here we have identical. Here we have identical. Identical. Look. Here is identical. Look the same. Look exactly the same. Identically. Look exactly look exactly the same. Identical. Look identical twins, identical twins look exactly the same. So it will be, you have wrong here. It will be identical twins look identical twins look the same, look exactly the same. Identical twins, identical twins look exactly the same. Look exactly the same. Look exactly the same. Exactly the same. Now let's go to another sentence here. Their parents offspring from some traits in her. So here it will be offsprings, 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 offspring, inherited, springs of offspring. We don't have mistake. This sentence is not correct. I will leave it. Let's go to another one. Great children have an elderly person might. An elderly person must have. An elderly person might have grandchildren. So it will be an elderly person might have grandchildren. An elderly person might have grandchildren. Might have grandchildren. Might have grandchildren. Might have grandchildren. Let's go to another one here. Let's go to another one here. Here we have. Here's the correct the verb here. Am able to swim. So it will be it will be here. Are used to here is it will be are used to swim. Here it will be I used to swim. I replace I used to swim. Here I used to swim. The answer here it will be I used to swim. Here's I used to swim. Last week, Hoda buy some new colored pins. Correct. Here we have last. As we told you that last means the past simple. So I replace by what? By both here. Why I replace it by both? Because we have here last, and last is the past simple. So the verb must be corrected in the past form like this. Okay. As we told you before grade 3, we must keep the irregular verbs because it's important to keep it because because in the in English we didn't answer any sentence without keeping the irregular verbs, because irregular verbs is in English like the timetable in mathematics, so must be kept. Have you finished your homework? So the answer it will be no, I haven't. No, I haven't finished. No, I haven't. No, I haven't finished. No, I haven't finished. No, I haven't finished. Okay. No, I haven't finished. No, I haven't finished. Let's put another one here. Yes, I'm washing the dishes. So it will be the answer to be, are you washing dishes? Are you washing? It will be here. Are you washing the dishes? Are you washing? Are you washing the dishes? Are you washing the dishes? And we have question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's go to another one here. To the next sentence. Here we have to be here. What here? These are what? Tripling. These are tripling. Here we have tripling, triplets. These triplets, and he's a baby. Will be here baby. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Let's go to another one here. There is copy means what? Means to write the sentence again, the handwriting. Today we finished the from unit 8. Unit 7. Next class I will start unit 8. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye.